Many companies struggle with user adoption, and especially when introducing new analytics tools. How did you encourage your teams to kind of move away from the old webby crystal reports or spreadsheets and start to embrace this new sort of self-service visual analytics approach?
You really can't rely on organic growth. You really have to get it in front of the customer and show its value, right? The best way you can do that is show them something in the visualization that they weren't aware of about their own business. If you can show, somebody who's running a business something about their business that they weren't aware of, or maybe they had a suspicion of, but when you can show it through the data visually, it makes such an impact. So try and go for that. What we do is we spin up and build, maintain, support the environments, and we train and support the users to build their own content. But if you can find just that one person to start building Power BI reports in an organization, and they have access to leadership will tell them what they want to see, but they really need that guidance from leadership. What do you want to see in your visualization? What do you want on your dashboard? What do you want on your Power BI report? With Power BI, I spend like 30 minutes training a person, just giving them the basics, and then they just start watching some YouTube content, guys in Cube and stuff like that. And the very next day, after spending just 30 minutes with them, giving them access, giving some of the basics, I can't tell you how many times I would get a call going, "Hey, Steve, I was working on something. You want to see it?" I go, "Yeah, show me." I'm like blown away. I'm like, I couldn't have even done that. How did you, and it just take off. There's something about visualization that really taps into the creative side of people. And believe it or not, there's a lot of creative people sitting in your finance and accounting and purchasing and inventory, very visual, and it's just like an outlet for them. And there's just Power BI is so easy to learn, and there's so much content out there where you can self-learn and grow in it. And